Hey guys, this is a car vacuum plus air compressor for your tire. You can see the cool design. So it has a little push button here that will turn to a vacuum mode, and then there is a compressor mode down here. Also, it has a light over there, so that you can work on night or in a dark space. So this is where your dust will be collected, and so this is from where the compressed air will go to your tire. It's really difficult for me to take a video of doing this, but yeah, I can turn the vacuum mode on. So this is the vacuum mode, and if I pull it down, that will be a compressor mode. So I can feel the pressure here. The pressure is changed. You can see the indicator over there. It is showing the pressure going up. And so this is my floor mat I just cleaned with this vacuum, and this is all the dust collected in the vacuum. So it's really good. I mean, you can have both air compressor and as well as the car vacuum in one, so they don't have to carry both. And it comes with a bag where you can keep it safely, and it's really portable, and it has a long cord. I would say probably maybe 10 feet, 10, 12, 15 feet, 10, 15 feet.